In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to disable autosaving of videos and photos from Messenger to your phone gallery. This helps save storage space, enhances privacy, and reduces gallery clutter. By preventing every media file from automatically downloading, you keep your phone organized and avoid unnecessary storage consumption. To do this, simply head to your Messenger. Tap onto these three lines. Select Settings. You will want to navigate onto this option of Photos and Media. Onto this very first option of Save Photos and Videos, make sure to turn it off. When disabled, if someone sends you a photo or video, when you download it, they won't get saved to your gallery unless you choose to save them to gallery. That's how easy it is to turn on automatic saving of media from Messenger to your phone gallery. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.